Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming to you with another video. If you're finding these videos helpful to you, please don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this. What we're going to do today is learn how to enable the developer tab. So as you can see up here, I do not have the developer tab. We're going to go ahead and enable that. So we're going to go ahead and hit File. We're going to scroll down to the bottom here. And we are going to do Options. And I'll bring up another dialog box here, which you can see right here. Excel options gives you a lot of different options that you can do. What we're going to do is hit Customize Ribbon. Now here's all the different things that you can actually add to the ribbon on the left hand side, but we're concentrating on the commands that you can do. This on the right hand side is going to be the customizing the ribbon. You see there at the bottom you'll have the developer tab. Go ahead and click on that and then hit OK. And if you look up here, you'll actually see that the developer tab has been enabled right between view and help. And if you click on the developer tab, it actually gives you a lot of different things such as expansion packs, import, properties, a nice little insert where you can do form controls, ActiveX controls, macros over here, and then Visual Basic, which we'll cover in a different video. Alright, so that concludes this tutorial for today. If you found this content helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel. If there's anything that you would like to see me cover, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks, and have a great day.